to keep energy throughout the day. Okay. Now let me ask about the dinner. What you had last night? Okay. Did you have chapatis or what did you have? Okay, yes. I think you all must have had a little of one chapati and then a small little amount, less amount of a few amount of rice, and then you must have had paneer or dal, vegetables. Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you what I had. I had one chapati, then I had few vegetables, and then I had dal, and then I had a small bowl of curd rice also. Okay. Okay. Now let's discuss more about what is food and how it helps us out. Okay. Now, can you see this? What does the food help? It helps us to, we eat food to grow. See, can you see the child, how she's growing? She's growing taller as she's having food because she is a healthy child. Okay. So what do we eat for food? We eat rice, bread, rotis, and pulses. Do you know what is pulses, children? I'll show it to you. See here. These are called pulses, the beans. See, can you see peas? Can you see this dal? These are all called pulses. Okay. And then what do we also eat along with the food? We also eat fruits and vegetables. But some people, they love to eat egg, fish, meat. Okay. Now, what does food make us? It makes us strong and healthy. What does it? And then it gives us energy to work and play. Did I not tell you once when I asked you, what did you have for food, this thing for lunch? Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah. Now let's go on to move on to where does the food come from? Yes, the food comes from plants and animals. Okay, what do we get from plants? Yes, we get fruits and vegetables, rice, we get grains, rice, wheat, pulses from the plants. Do you know what is the grains? See, these are called the grains. Okay, children. Yes, these are called the grains. These are the grains and these are the pulses. All these things we get from the plants. Okay. Now, yes. Now, we get milk, egg, and meat from animals. See, who gives us milk? The cow. And then who gives us, who lays eggs? The hen. And then meat we get from sheep. Yes, and goat. So I think you all know where we get our food from. Yes. Let's move on to how many times do we eat every day? Yes. Some people eat three times a day. Some people have 4 times a day. Okay, but actually we have 3 meals a day. Okay, that is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In between breakfast and lunch, do you know what we have? We have snacks. Okay, what is that snacks called? Let's learn about it a little more. Okay, now, so when do we have a breakfast? We have breakfast in the morning. Then it is an important meal of the day. Okay, why is it important? So that will keep your mind fresh, your body will be fresh, and you'll be active to do any work. Okay, now, and then what time do you have your lunch? We have our lunch around 12:30 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Yes, and then what time is our dinner? So dinner we have around 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Yeah, you should have early dinner so that you can sleep well throughout. Okay, now let's learn about what are the different types of food. Okay, now the different types of food. There are 2 types of food. Okay, what we're going to learn. That is, one is junk food and one is healthy food. So let's begin with junk food. What is junk food? Sometimes I was talking about 3 meals a day. No, some people have between they have 4 times. Okay, 4 meals. 4 meals in a sense, a small snacks like. I'm going to tell about that. When do we have and what do we have? Okay. Now, junk food. Sometimes we have snacks between our meals. When do we have our snacks? We have our snacks between lunch and dinner. So we have during evening times around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. At that time, we need to play. We need a little more of energy. So we need to drink milk, then have a little snacks like you can have chips or burgers, but less in amount. You shouldn't have more. Okay, that's not good for you all. Okay, these are called as junk food. Can you see this? Can you see the pizza, burger, and ice cream? Having small amounts. Okay. Now, let's move on to healthy food. What are healthy food? As I said, fruits, pulses, meat. Can you see the whole amount of healthy food? Yes, along with having healthy food, we should eat a fruit every day and drink plenty of water. Yes, and then we have to keep, and while eating also, we have to eat slowly, chew the food well, and then we have to keep our mouth closed while chewing our food. Now, let's have some, listen to a song, okay, and then I'll proceed further. This also refresh your memory, children, okay. It's all about vegetables, healthy food.
Carrot, carrot, cabbage, cabbage, broccoli, broccoli. 1, 2, 3. Let's chop some carrots, carrots. Na na na. Let's chop some cabbage, cabbage. Na na na. Let's chop some broccoli, broccoli. Na na na. Some vegetables for you and me. Carrot, cabbage, broccoli. Carrot, cabbage, broccoli. Some vegetables for you and me. And we sing na na na. Na na na. And we sing na na na. Na na na.
This thing for you to just recap how healthy they were and how cute the chicken were playing for you. Yes, they're playing a healthy song for you. Now we have learned about healthy food. We have learned why do we need food, where do we get food from. Yes, and then how many times you should have your meals. Yes, we have finished with that. Then we have learned how many types of food. We have learned two types of food. One is junk food and another one is healthy food. Now let's move on to different food groups. Okay, now can you see this picture? Yes, we have 5 food groups. Okay, one is the bread group, another milk group, meat group, vegetables and fruit group. Okay, they have been, all of them are, they've grouped them separately. Okay, fruits have been, all the fruits come together, vegetables have come together. In milk group we have ice creams, we have yogurt, curds, then milk, cheese, all this comes under milk group. And in bread group we have lot of bread and beans also comes under that. Okay, sorry, bread group, we have the bread, we have this thing, buns, all this things come, and pasta, all those things come under bread group. And then we have the other group that is called the meat group, where we have fish and chicken meat. And the people who cannot eat meat group, they can eat beans, okay, which is very rich in this thing, meat group. Okay, now why should we have all this food together? Because we need to balance our diet. Okay, balance our diet means we should be balanced every day. You cannot just eat fruits and stay alive. You cannot eat only vegetables, you cannot eat only bread, you cannot have only milk, you cannot have only fish and this thing. So you should have everything in small amounts to stay healthy. Okay, see, can you see this food pyramid? See, can you see all this? Yes, see, milk group is there, then we have the meat group, then we have vegetable, fruit group, and then the bread group. Yes, children? Yes, so what are the 5 food groups we have? Let's repeat again. Milk group, bread group, meat group, fruit group, and vegetable group. Okay? Okay. Then would you like to listen to a story? Would you like to listen to a story? Yes, about healthy food. See what happened when a child, he was eating all the time junk food and he never ate healthy food. Let's begin. Just watch. Okay.
Clinton Gates!
Eat healthy, stay healthy. Long time ago, a family lived in a city. And grandparents, along with their mummy papa, 8 years old Himanshu and 7 years old Himani were there in their family.
There was a small family, yeah. In that family, who all were there. There was mummy, papa, and there were 2 children. See,
Family
they had 2
lived in
children,
a city.
boy by name Himanshu and the girl. Okay, and they had their grandparents, grandmama, grandpapa. Let's see what happened.
And grandparents, along with their mummy papa, 8 years old Himanshu and 7 years
Her
old
name is
Himani
Himani
were
and he is Himanshu. Okay.
there in their family. Both the kids were very much fond of junk food. Therefore, they used to eat pizza and burger all the time and refused to eat any fruit or vegetable.
No, we don't like vegetables and fruits at all.
We like only pizza and burger.
But children, if you won't eat vegetables and fruits, then your eyesight will become poor. And you have to wear specs in such a small age.
But
See,
they
you
never
all have
used to
listen
listen to
your
their
parents,
mother.
right? They know better. Okay, but these 2 children were never listening. But see who started listening.
No, we don't like vegetable and fruits.
One day, their mother explained them very lovingly.
Our eyesight becomes strong by eating fruits and green vegetables. And if your eyesight becomes poor, then you have to wear specs all the time.
Mother's affectionate words convinced
See, who was
Himani
listening?
to
Only
eat fruit and
Himani.
vegetables.
He was listening to her mother, but Himanshu never listened to his mother. Now let's see what happens.
Okay, Mom. From now, I will eat fruit and vegetable every day.
But Himanshu refused to listen to his mother.
No, Mom. I like pizza burger. Therefore, I will eat that only.
Now, mother stopped explaining Himanshu, and many days passed. Himani started eating fruit and vegetables daily, and Himanshu, like before, ate only pizza and burger. One day, Himanshu's teacher asked him in school.
Himanshu, come on, solve the question on blackboard.
When Himanshu looked at the blackboard, he found everything very blurred. He rubbed his eyes.
See, he couldn't see the numbers. See what happened. He couldn't see the numbers when teacher was asking to solve 2 plus 2.
And looked once again. But still, he found everything blurred. Teacher angrily
What is blurred? He couldn't see clearly, children. Okay.
scolded Himanshu when he was unable to answer.
Himanshu, are you not able to solve this easy question also? Wait, I'll call your parents to school right now.
Teacher left.
The teacher was very upset because Himanshu knew everything and she didn't know why he was behaving like this. So she wanted to inquire with her parents. So she calls her parents. Let's see.
The classroom after saying this. She made a phone call, and after some time, Himanshu's mummy papa came to school.
I had asked Himanshu very simple question. But Himanshu could not solve as easy question as 2 plus 2.
What, Himanshu? You don't even know answer of such an easy question?
It seems you aren't studying well these days.
See, the parents are upset because the teacher is complaining and Himanshu also is very sad. He also is very upset.
No, Mom. I know very well 2 plus 2 adds up to 4. So why didn't you answer your teacher's question? The reason was I wasn't able to see what's written on board. I told you.
See, now what had happened, see, he was trying to express that he couldn't see anything to the board. So the mother is upset. She says, I see what she says.
Before, you should eat vegetable and fruits. See, your eyesight became so weak. If like Himani you had listened to me, then your eyesight wouldn't have been so poor. Sorry, Mom.
See, now he realizes and he is asking sorry for his mother. Now see.
From today I will eat vegetables and fruits daily.
By seeing Himanshu's crying like this, his mummy understood that Himanshu has now realized his mistake. She consoled Himanshu and said,
It's fine, Himanshu. Stop
See, console means Mama was trying to pacify. Mama was trying to say, don't cry. It's okay. Okay.
crying now. But if you eat vegetables and fruits daily, then it may be possible that your eyesight may become perfect again.
So till then, I shall buy good spectacles for you.
After listening to his mummy papa, Himanshu stopped crying and his father got his spectacles made. Like this, by eating fruit and vegetables, Himani's eyesight remained normal. And by not eating fruit and vegetables, Himanshu had to wear spectacles.
So children, should you not eat fruits and vegetables every day? You should have fruits and vegetables. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you, children. Okay. Now, the activity for the day is, what you have to do is, you have to take cucumber, take your mummy's help, take cucumber, tomato, lettuce, okay, and boil some chickpeas also, okay. Put them, slice, ask mommy to slice them together, all the cucumber, lettuce, and tomatoes, and then the chickpeas also. After mommy slices for you, or if you can do with the help of your, in the guidance of your mummy, so you can chop them nicely, and then put it in the bowl, mix it with salt, pepper, and then put some salad dressing on that and have it. It's a very nice salad, children. Okay, and then you should tell me tomorrow how you relished it. Okay.